Okay, at Eastleigh Parkrun we're going to start using a new timer as the backup rather than the laptop. The reason for this is the laptop battery is not particularly good, and also it's difficult to see the display when you're actually out there trying to time an event. So this is the Junsd, or the Junsd, professional stopwatch. It's got USB outputs so you can connect it to the laptop and download the results. What we're going to do here is just look at the display and how to actually track the times of runners at the parkrun. This is the time display, and what we need to do is get it into chrono mode. So we press the mode button, which is the one here on the front, until we see this screen here. And you can see there's a timer, there's a counter at the top, which is the number of runners it will support, the number of lap times. And here we see it's 500, which is the maximum this timer will actually capture. So what we need to do is get ready for the gun, and then we press the start button, or the start-stop button, which is the top right hand one, to start the race. And you can see the stopwatch has started down the bottom here. As each runner crosses the line, you press the top left hand button and it will beep to acknowledge that's been accepted, and you keep doing that for each runner. On the screen there you can see the lap time and the difference between the current and the previous lap as well. Once you're ready to stop the race, you press the top right hand button and you'll see the stopwatch stops, and then you need to store the results by pressing the top left hand button. Here you'll see how many slots or how many more laps you could capture, in this case 491, and you can then recall by pressing the middle button, the recall button, to see the split times or the lap times per runner. And you also get some of the stats, the total time for the race, the average lap time, best lap time, and the slowest lap time. At this point you'd want to actually download the data to the laptop, which we'll cover in a separate video. Once you've done that, you will then want to clear the device ready for the next parkrun, which you can do by getting to this screen here and then pressing the top right hand button for several seconds. Once that's cleared, after holding it for several seconds, it will show you 500 laps remaining. So that's all ready to go, ready for the next parkrun.